Welcome. In front of me I have CAT S61 and today I'll show you how you can add another account to Google Play Store. So at first you have to open the Play Store, tap on the right upper corner and click to add another account. Right now you have to wait a little bit and use verification method. In my case it was very common pattern. Right now input your new account. Click next. And right now you have to input your password. So here it is, click next. Tap agree. And as you can see, after a few moments, when you tap on the right upper corner, we get here another account and we can easily switch between them by tapping just like that. And if you find this video helpful, remember to have a like, comment and of course subscribe to our channel.